Hi, I'm Tracey Downs. I'm one of the nurse practitioners here at Rome Health Pediatrics. I wanted to talk to you today about some healthy tips for keeping our children healthy and active. So we know that healthy diet and exercise are important for our physical health, but it's also really important for our mental health. We want to look at health as not so much a goal, but as a way of life. So some tips to help with that is to make sure that your children are getting at least 5 servings of fruits and vegetables per day, that they're eating whole grains, healthy fats such as nut butters, avocados, olive oils, and we want them to watch their portions, avoid sugary sweets and sodas and juices, lots of water, at least half their body weight in ounces per day. We also want them to get at least 60 minutes of exercise per day. This can be structured activities such as sports and dance, or it can just be play or watching a video on YouTube and doing exercises that way, something at home, just as long as they're moving their bodies every day. And we also want to limit screen time. That's really important to get these kids up and moving. And the last thing I have for you is a nice resource you can check out is called myplate.gov. It has really great tips on personalized meal planning and how to help our kids get healthy, and also our adults, because this is a family thing and we want the whole family involved in this. So live a healthy life, and your children will too. If you have any questions, give us a call or stop in today.